Okay.
I think he just cheated.
Cheat.
All I really wanted was this red string.
Don't cheat. Go get it.
I think this is how fish crawled out of the water.
That's how it usually happens.
Yeah. Man.
Take this one. It's closer. You got it, didn't you?
That was nice. Very impressive. You moved all of 2.5 feet.
There
Wait, he's still going.
Keep going. Keep going.
There you go, Bastion.
Yay. You come a long way.
There you did. I gave him another week and a half and he'll have it mastered.
You so? Alright, let's go get